practice English speaking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And yes, I'm smiling already because today's topic is online meetings. And wow, my mute button knows me very well.
Hi friends, I'm Jake, and I'm already nervous because online meetings make me forget how to speak English and how to speak human.
Don't worry, Jake. Beginners feel this pain, like when your camera turns on and your soul leaves your body, right?
Exactly, Anna. The camera turns on and suddenly I sit straight like I'm meeting the president, not my boss.
And dear listeners, if you are shy in online meetings, relax. Even native speakers panic when the internet freezes. Trust me.
Yes, Anna. 1 second you're talking smartly, next second you're frozen with a weird face like modern art.
Okay, friends, today we help you speak easy English in online meetings. No stress, no big words, just real life and small laughs.
And remember, this is beginner friendly, so if English feels scary, we make it friendly, like tea, not like black coffee.
Let's imagine a real situation, okay? An online meeting starts and everyone joins slowly like sleepy zombies.
Yes, and someone always says, "Can you hear me?" even before saying hello. Classic move.
Exactly. So an easy sentence is, "Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?" Simple and safe, like wearing slippers.
And if nobody answers, you smile and say, "I think my mic is working," even if you're not sure.
Then comes the mute drama, when you talk for 2 minutes and realize you are muted. Painful but funny later.
Oh yes, Anna. My mouth moves, my hands move, but my voice is on vacation.
So you can say, "Sorry, I was on mute," and everyone nods like, "Yes, welcome to the club."
Beginners, please remember this sentence. It saves lives, meetings, and friendships.
Now let's talk about introducing yourself, because that moment feels like speed dating, but with coworkers.
True, Anna. Your heart beats fast and you forget your own name. Very professional.
Easy line. "Hi, I'm Anna. I work in marketing." Simple, clear, no English gymnastics.
And if you feel nervous, add a smile and say, "Nice to meet you all," even if you met them last week.
Nobody checks, Jake. Everyone is just happy the meeting started.
Then the boss asks, "Any updates?" and silence enters the room like a ghost.
Yes, that scary silence. But you can say, "I have a small update." Small feels safe, like a baby step.
Or say, "I'm still working on it," because honestly, we all are.
Let's practice asking for clarity, because online audio is like mystery soup sometimes.
Yes, words disappear and you guess meanings like a detective.
Easy sentence. "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Polite and powerful.
Or, "Sorry, my internet is slow." Even if your internet is fine, blame technology.
Technology is the perfect excuse, Jake. It never argues back.
And when you don't understand, say, "Can you explain it simply?" Because simple English is our best friend.
Now comes screen sharing, the moment when panic enters again.
Oh no, screen sharing shows your messy desktop and random files. Very embarrassing.
So you say calmly, "I will share my screen," like you planned this your whole life.
And if it doesn't work, smile and say, "1 moment please," because 1 moment can be 5 minutes.
Everyone understands, Jake, because we all fight with buttons daily. Let's talk about agreeing in meetings, because nodding alone doesn't work online.
True, Anna. Nodding looks like you're dancing alone.
Say, "Yes, I agree." Short and sweet.
Or, "That sounds good," when you're not 100% sure, but you trust the vibe.
And if you disagree, be gentle, English style, not drama style.
Easy line. "I see your point, but I think." Very polite, very safe.
Meetings also have that one person who talks a lot, like a podcast inside a meeting.
Yes, and you want to speak, but you wait politely like a good student.
You can say, "Can I add something?" Soft but confident.
Or just one small point, even if it's not small.
English loves small words, Jake. They reduce fear. Now let's practice ending the meeting, my favorite part.
Same here, Anna. Ending a meeting feels like freedom.
Easy sentence. "Thank you, everyone, for your time." Professional and friendly.
And add, "Have a nice day," because kindness costs nothing.
If you want to sound active, say, "I will send the email." even if you send it later.
Yes, future Jake will handle that problem.
Dear listeners, did you notice how simple these sentences are?
Yes, no big grammar monsters, just daily English with small smiles.
Practice these lines aloud, even alone, even in front of your mirror. Mirror won't judge.
I practice in my room, and my chair is my boss. Very serious chair.
Online meetings are scary at first, but English gets easier when you repeat.
Exactly. English is like exercise, a little every day, not once a year.
Make mistakes, laugh, learn, and move on. That's real progress.
And remember, even fluent speakers forget words. They just smile better.
Okay, friends, we are slowly wrapping up, like closing 10 browser tabs.
Yes, but keep one tab open in your brain for English practice.
Thank you for listening to Practice English Speaking today.
Practice a little daily, even 5 minutes, even during tea breaks.
Online meetings will feel easier, and your confidence will grow step by step.
And one day, you will help someone else say, "Sorry, I was on mute."
See you next time. Keep smiling, keep practicing.
Bye, everyone, and may your internet be strong and your mic be unmuted. Haha.